All right, old guy BMXer here. So Friday, like on my last video, I said I went down to Massachusetts, picked up a few parts, picked up some really cool Tough Wheel 2s, some purple ones, and then I met a guy not too far away from there that sold me this 1978 Rampar R10. Be honest with you, I really didn't know anything about this bike, but I do know and was told that this is 100% original. He said that he got it from his parents in 1978. He said he quickly outgrew it. In the little research that I've done so far, the only thing that I can see missing is the neck and handlebar pads. That's it. I mean, even the rear tire is pretty worn down to the nubs. So just freaking cool. And that's right around when BMXing really started to take shape and form. And I believe this bike was made by Raleigh. But again, that's what, original. That's what little research I have done. That's what it looks like it was, who made it. But just super cool. It has original Skyways on it that when they first came out. I just think that that's so cool. But yeah, I'll drop a video showcasing the bike, and let me know what you think. All right, thanks. Stay rad. Please like and subscribe. Smash that button for me, okay? Help me grow this channel. All right, thank you. You know what? I just realized that my hair looks awful. I didn't even do it. I've been wearing a ball cap at my kid's football game today, and you know what? Screw it. You guys don't care what my hair looks like. You just care about the bikes. Stay rad.